Wild Bill's old-fashioned soda pop.
Interesting.
What did you think of it?
Oh, absolutely. What color?
Okay, Parker, tell me about the Banana Pudding Festival. Did you have a good time?
I did. It is quite warm though.
What was your favorite?
Pudding and pearls.
What was your least favorite?
Salted caramel.
Are there any other specific ones you want to call out that you liked?
The tropical one was good. I liked that one.
Are we coming back next year?
Duh.
Okay, there we go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Parker, tell me about the Banana Pudding Festival. Was it a good time?
It was, but Goofy's blocking me.